All right, so sheet metal demo 3, we're going to make this part using the sketch. So first off, we're going to want to make this profile here. So let's hop into a new part, go to sketch, let's go on the right plane, grab our line, and go just draw out a very rough sketch resembling what we want. Okay, and then before I start adding dimensions, I like to add some of the relations. So I want the wall thickness to be based off of a single dimension on this line. So I want this spacing to be the same as this spacing. So what I can do is add some center lines. Now what we can do is we can select this, 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 and this bottom one here to all be equal to each other. So now we have a uniform thickness. And set that thickness to 0.25. Okay, and then our overall height is 10. Okay, starting to get a basic shape here. This dimension is supposed to be 4. And we've got 1.5 from front to back on this. And then something that I like to be able to do is drag my sketch around so that I can see what's not constrained anymore. So we can see that this dimension is obviously what's missing here. So we've got 2.5 from front to back. 2.5. Enter. Now we can see we need something to constrain it up and down. And if we look at our sketch, that would be this guy right here. So 2 inches. Sketch. And I got 2 inches from there to there. Now we are confined, or constrained. Clean that up a little bit. So now we also need to add some radii to these corners. And this inside radius is going to need to be smaller than this outside radius. So we can do those separately. So let's do our radius. What do we got? 0.38, so that's 3/8. So we're going to want 0.375. We're going to want outside, 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 and outside. And check. And that will set all of these equal to a single dimension. Now we can do, let's just do a random smaller number. Inside, 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 inside. Hit enter. Close this tool. Now we've got a dimension here. The actual radius that I want is going to be equal to this, the radius, minus wall thickness. Now we have an equation that will drive this so that even if later on our thickness changes, the radius will still be manufacturable. Now we can go to extrude to base. And then I normally like my numbers to be on the front, so we can go ahead and flip this around. That's looking good. We need to extrude it, 12 inches. Okay, and now we have our basic body to go off of.